Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I have some makeup tips for round eyes, and what I mean by that is that if you have big eyes or round eyes, which to me they're very pretty actually, but I know that some of you don't like that big eye look. So if you wanna see how to make them look a little smaller, there are some tricks with makeup that you can do, and that's what I wanted to show you today. So if you want to see how I do it, please stay and watch. Thank you. Okay, what I'm gonna do first is apply a brown matte eyeshadow, but I want to use a dark brown. I'm gonna use a small blending brush. And before I forget, I just want to tell you that today I'm gonna be doing two different types of looks. One is gonna be, if I can talk, for the day, because it's gonna be more like a natural type of look, and the other one is gonna be more dramatic. But both of them are gonna be with the objective in mind of making your eyes look smaller. I'm gonna start by doing the natural look first, and for that I'm gonna put this brown eyeshadow not on the crease, but a little under the crease and barely touching the crease. And I'm going to go out and then just blend. Now what I'm gonna do is apply my eyeliner, but I'm not gonna go all the way in, no, because that will make my eyes look bigger this way, and we don't want that today. So what I'm gonna do is just put the eyeliner only right here on the corner, and I'm gonna do a little cat eye, but not much. And I'm gonna go as close as possible where the eyelashes start. I have two options for this. You can either use a dark, even though it kind of look like on the camera, but it's actually a dark gold pencil eyeliner, or you can use a light brown pencil eyeliner. And we're gonna put it in the waterline. Curl your eyelashes. Apply mascara on the top lashes. And don't put too many coats of mascara, because the more coats you apply, the longest and bigger lashes you're gonna have, and the bigger lashes you have, the bigger your eyes are gonna look, and we don't want that. I'm going to apply the mascara on the lower lashes, but only on the lashes that are right here on the corner. I'm going to apply my false eyelashes, but I'm going to apply the ones that are the corner ones. In order to cut that roundness of the eye a little more, I'm gonna line here, but just a little bit, because that will help me to get that more of an almond shape type of look. And I just want to mention one more thing. The gold eye pencil is going to help your eyes to look smaller, but it's going to be a subtle help. Versus if you use the brown one, it's gonna be more noticeable. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the brown one so that you can see that one too. So this is the first look. Now we're gonna do the dramatic look. For this, you can use any dark color eyeshadow that you want. Dark green, dark blue, dark purple, dark whatever, black, whatever color that you want, but it has to be dark. I'm gonna use this dark purple because I just feel like it, and it has some sheen to it, but it can be matte or shimmery, it doesn't matter. And a small brush like this one, and I'm gonna put it on the eyelid, but as close as possible to the eyelashes. And then I'm just gonna start blending in. And I know I put the other color first, but remember that I didn't went all the way to the crease, I just barely touched the crease. So once I blend this purple, that purple, the blending part is gonna be on top of the other color, so it will be fine. But when you are doing your makeup, you're gonna do either the natural look or the dramatic look. I'm just doing one on top of the other because I want to show you the difference between one eye that has all the tips and the other eye that doesn't have anything. Try to do a little wing with your eyeshadow. Go until this very corner right here. Use a black eye pencil on the top and lower waterline. Use a tiny brush like this one. Use the same eyeshadow you use on the eyelid and put it right here, but as close as possible to where the eyelashes begin. Blend a little bit. I'm going to line my eye right here on the corner and then right here in this corner. And when you line, try to go, instead of going up this way, try to go this way, straight. Okay, and this is the second look, the dramatic one. And just as a general idea, if you have big round eyes, what you want to do is to cut that roundness. And for me, the easiest way to do that is by doing or try to do an almond shape in your eye. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment, and share it with others. Nothing else to say. I don't know what else to say at the end of the video as usual. So thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Bye.